What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money online utilizing Facebook and these 3 website or tools that I'm going to give you access to in this video that will help you achieve and succeed at this method. And what I really like about this method, not a lot of people know about this. It is something new and a lot of businesses are struggling with this. And this all includes identifying problems in the marketplace and solving them and getting paid for this. This is a form of a higher income skill. Some people do this full time. You could do this as a part-time hustle or a side hustle, or you could tackle this full time and start this as a little full-time business on Facebook. The best part about this is you can do this anywhere in the world and you can work from home, off your mobile device, off your couch, which I really like. And I'm going to help you set this up step by step throughout this video. And if you need any help and if there's anything that you're confused about, comment down below and I'll reply to every single comment. I see them and I heart them, so leave your comments and I'll help you out. My name is Jay and I'm from the Millionaire Mindset channel, and on this channel I teach you ways to make money online, build an online brand and building an online business, and helping you achieve the online income that you want to earn. And I will do everything I can to help you with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite you to join my private Facebook group down below in the description. You can message me personally. I'm building an entire community there where I want to help you guys and I want you guys to get results. So promise me after this video that you are going to take action, because I want to see you achieve at this. But if you're ready for this value pack video, make sure to stick with me. We're going to hop straight into my computer now, and I'm going to show you these 3 tools and this entire strategy. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. We are now inside of my computer, and before I get started in this strategy, this is all, as I say, going to include finding needs and solving them on Facebook. And I quickly want you to take a look at something. Let's say I came to this Facebook group or page and I had a look at this banner. What would you do? Okay, let's say then I would come to this Facebook group or page and you had a look at this banner. What would you do? I know what I would do. I would definitely go and check out this link, because they are giving you a free session to start your business or grow your current business with a call to action. And the whole idea of the strategy is that many groups or pages on Facebook or businesses on Facebook are missing out on a ton of traffic, sales, and a lot of revenue because they're not including call to actions on their Facebook pages. So I'm going to show you how you can solve this for these pages and businesses and get paid a good amount of money for that. So let's hop straight into the strategy, because you're going to need 3 tools that are going to help you with this, and I'm going to give you access to these tools throughout this video. So as I say, we're going to be creating call to actions for these businesses so they can also make more money online through their sales page or affiliate offer or whatever their link is promoting. Like this one, this guy actually has 2 links. You can see right here, he's got one, Jonathan Clements or Clement.com, which has got to do with business optimization and success strategies. And then he's got a free session to start your business. So what's smart about this, he's offering something for free, and since people love free stuff, I can promise you this link is going to have a high conversion rate. And on top of this, I'm going to show you another bonus tool that you can actually do the strategy if you don't even want to do the work yourself. But first, I want to give you an idea of what you're going to earn doing this. There are some people doing this earning about $200 to $500 per day doing this part-time or full-time. So let's first hop over to Fiverr. We can also go to Upworks. .com. So Fiverr is a freelance service website where people sell various different high income skills and services. So I'm going to come over to find services and I'm quickly going to type in Facebook. Let's go Facebook, and I'll give you an idea of what you're going to earn doing this. Okay, so here we go. I just searched Facebook banner on Fiverr, and you can see right here, I will create a professional Facebook cover or banner design, 463 Rand, which is about $35. Here's another one, a Facebook banner video cover at 925 Rand, which is about $60. 232 Rand, which is about $20, another 300 Rand, which is about $25, about another $15. So there are people earning good amounts of money doing this. Same thing on Upworks. If I type in Facebook banner, you can also get another idea of what you're going to earn doing this. And no, this method is not including creating our own gigs on Fiverr or Upworks. I'm going to show you a much more effective way right now, just in a bit, on how you can convert your sales much more and get a lot more revenue doing this. So no, I'm on Fiverr now just to give you an idea of what people are charging and what are getting paid to do this. So same thing with Fiverr. You can see right here, $27, $40, $75 for a Facebook banner, $37, $33. So I would say it's anywhere between $30 or $20 and $80 doing this per page that you close and create a banner for. And what you can do is to make banners just as professional as these. There are actually a couple of tools I'm going to show you right now. You can come over to canva.com. Now, canva.com is probably one of the most underrated little gold mines where people can create ebook covers, ads, Facebook group covers, and you can create really professional work and get paid a lot of money for that. So you can see right here, Facebook cover, you can click on something like that, and I'm quickly going to design you a good example that will be high selling, that will include a call to action, and that will get these businesses or businesses like this real estate page getting more sales and conversions on their product or their service. So let's take this real estate business or group for example. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a really professional banner, and I'm going to show you how to target them and convert them into a sale. So if I come over to Canva, you can see a ton of various different categories or pictures or examples that you can use. You can click on them and copy and paste it below. I actually like this one right here with the buildings because it kind of relates to real estate with the buildings and that, which is pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this into a really neat and handy call to action that when people join this real estate group, that will get a lot of customers through the doors of this business or group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to type in here how to get a free consultation with us. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this second bit or the second subtext, and I'm going to put on click on the link. And there we go. I've now highlighted this text in yellow. Click on the link below. And now I'm going to show you how you can target these Facebook groups and convert them into a sale. And what you could also do for these different business pages, if they don't have a website, I'll actually leave a link in the description below to a video, a 40-minute video where I built a $5,000 drop servicing business live using a page builder. In that video, I'll teach you how you can build contact pages, how you can build a landing page where people can book their appointments from there. So after this video, once you understand this strategy, make sure to go and check out that strategy so you can learn how to build pages for these Facebook groups as well and include that in your offer. But for this video, we're just using banners for now. And I'm also going to give you a really handy script at the end of this video, and I'm going to show you how you can get that to really convert these Facebook pages into sales for yourself and earn a good amount of money online doing this. So Canva is the first of 3 tools that I'm going to be showing you. The next tool that I can show you guys, that I'm going to show you guys where you can do this and make really professional banners for Facebook groups and businesses, is a website called snapper.com. And here you can actually build various different Facebook groups or page groups. If I come over to the templates tab, you can actually get started for free on this website. But have a look at these. Have a look at how professional some of these are. And this one right here, tips to improve your social media ad campaign. And what you can do is you can then come over to Facebook and you can search something like social media. So let's use this page here, 13K likes on this page. Here, 10K likes on this page. I'm going to open them up in new tabs. You can see right here, this page just has different logos of the various different companies. There's no call to action. So this is another business that you can target. You can create a landing page for this business with the WordPress strategy that I have in my description of this video, and you can create a contact page. And then what you can do is you can target the business with the copyright script that I'm going to give you with your banner that has a call to action, and you will get this page a lot more clients through the door or picking up the phone and calling this business, meaning they are going to be satisfied with your work and they are going to pay you a lot of money to do this. Same thing with this group here. I found another social media consultancy agency. There's no call to action, so this is another business that you can target. So now that we have our Facebook groups that we want to target, I actually have a ton of niches here that you can use. If I zoom in here, you can actually just copy some of these niches and head over to Facebook and find various different groups and pages within these niches. Any pages that don't have call to actions, you can target. So right here is a script that I've got that you can literally copy and paste, and you're bound to get a sale with probably 80% of the people you target. So this is more or less how it goes, and I'm going to teach you how you can get this as soon as I go through it. So you can see right here, hey, I recently came across your Facebook group or page and I find the content there very valuable. I can see you are passionate and hardworking in growing your business. I help people grow their businesses on Facebook and get clients through the door of the business with attractive banners, landing pages, and call to actions like this example here. And I downloaded the example that I made on Canva. Then I said, this is one of my basic styles, but drives over 200% more clicks onto your links, which can lead to more sales and revenue for your business. Let me know. And you can also say something like, your page currently has, let's say, 14k likes. I'm going to put you in brackets amount of likes. So obviously each likes amount will differ for each page. And this could potentially turn into many more sales. Then I said, let me know if you're interested in this, as I am having 30% of all of my designs. Have a great day, regards, and you can just put your name, for example. And you can see right here, what you can do is you can send this business a message with the send business button through the Messenger app. And you can see right here, they've got a link to their page. Right here is a link, or here is another store, socialmediatoyou.com. So by using this banner that you've now created for them, I can promise you they are going to get 200% more clicks onto their business. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do this live right now. So I'm going to open their Messenger chat in a new tab. I'm just going to continue with my profile, and I'm going to send them the script that I just made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of this and I'm going to copy it, come back to the Messenger, and I'm going to paste this as is. And you'll see right here, I'm just going to neaten this up a little bit because obviously the type of text is very different with the Messenger chat. I'm just correcting some errors. There we go. I've sent that, and I'm going to attach an image, and I'm just going to attach this right here. So there we go. I've now sent them, hey, I recently came across your Facebook group or page and I find the content there very valuable. I can see you are passionate and hardworking in growing your business. I help people grow their business on Facebook and get clients through the door of the business with attractive banners, landing pages. So I've sent this entire message, and I've now sent them the picture as well. And what I'm going to do is join my Facebook group down below, and I will actually post an update to this on my Facebook group as soon as this guy responds. I'm going to do this with a couple of groups, and I'm going to take you with me through this process on my private Facebook group. So make sure to go and join that, and you will go and see how this works, and I will show you the results on the group. And another website that you can quickly use is called 99 Design. You'll see right here, 99designs.com. You can create more banners and logos and designs on this website as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. And again, join my private Facebook group so I can show you the updates on this. I'm actually excited about this and to see where this is going to go and share this with you. And also make sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate all of the support. Every single one of you subscribing and commenting down below. It means the world to me. So please, I love the support, and I really want you guys to take action with this and achieve and succeed at this. But if you guys are ready for tomorrow's valuable video, make sure you got the bell on so I can send you a message when I release that. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.